Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marcia, and today this is what's jumping in my pot: a hearty beef lentil soup. Let's get to the ingredients. Carrots and celery, parsley, garlic, onions, beef broth, extra virgin olive oil, black pepper, oregano, rosemary, salt, I have a 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. The lentils that I have soaking in cold water. And of course, the beef. I've already cubed it, and I've washed it in white vinegar, and I've rinsed it in cold water several times. Now let's get to the next step. I have a large pot here, and I'm going to put some olive oil in it. To saute the beef first. We're going to turn the stove on medium high. Now, this is what we do next. We drain the water off the beef. Then we add some salt, and pepper, black pepper, to the beef. Then we take some of the beef and we add it to the pot and saute it on each side until it gets brown on each side. Let's see how the beef's been sauteing in the pot, seeing if it's brown enough to come out. Yes, it is. So we're going to take the beef out of the pot. You see? Then I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. I've taken the beef out of the pot, and now let's move on to the next step. We're adding the garlic, and the onions. We're going to let this saute up for about 30 seconds. The next thing we do is we add the beef back into the pot. Then we add the beef broth to the pot. We add the celery and the carrots to the pot. The seasonings we add to the pot. And we add the lentil to the pot. Stir every time we add something, we stir it up. And the last thing is the diced tomatoes we add to the pot. Now we're going to taste to see if it has enough salt in it. We could add a little bit more salt to the pot. Then we stir it up. And now we're going to cover it up and let it cook for an hour. Let's see how the soup is coming along. It looks like it's almost ready. Look at the vegetables and the beef and the seasoning jumping in the pot. Now it's time to add the parsley. Now we're going to cover it up and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Then we will serve it up. Well, it's been cooking over 10 minutes now, and let's see if it's ready to serve. Yes, it is. Let's serve up some in this bowl. Take a look. Beef lentil soup. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and share, and comment. And also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye.